We're at CHICO High, and this is sort of the after party, a dinner that they're providing for these Paradise High students and their families. Earlier tonight, just a few minutes ago, a Southern California businessman was here. He brought 2 suitcases full of checks with him for each and every one of the Paradise High students and the staff. He told us he just wanted to put a smile back on their faces. It's perhaps a small act of kindness given the larger disaster, but for these kids from Paradise High and these families, getting even $1,000 from a man they don't even know, a businessman named Bob Wilson, is a huge gift.
This means so much.
Well,
there's so much to everyone.
Very, very welcome. It's a little soon, but do you have any idea what you might do with this money?
I have no idea yet.
That's all right.
Principal LOREN LIGHTHAUL knows his school is still standing, but more than 90% of the students and staff lost their homes. Wilson's personal gift, all $1.1 million of it, will be a huge help.
A lot of kids will just turn the checks over to their families for just basic essential items like food and gas.
This is a long-term fix.
In Paradise, we caught up with California OES Director Mark GHILARDUCCI as he toured the burn area, an area that will require an unprecedented cleanup effort. The amount of debris from the campfire could well exceed 6 million tons, at least 3 times greater than from all of last year's North Bay fires.
It really is 360 degrees of destruction. These are businesses and homes that are 100% destroyed, infrastructure lost, roads damaged.
The cleanup will begin with hazmat removal, hopefully in the next few weeks. Meanwhile, not all these families know yet what they'll do with their $1,000 from Bob Wilson, but they know how it makes them feel.
Like, he doesn't even know us, but he has it in his heart to give this money to us, to just help us, and it kind of makes my heart smile.
Now, Bob Wilson told us at 89 years old, he still looks back on high school as the happiest, most carefree time in his life. He wanted to make sure that these kids and these families felt that way again.